This is Brief Briefing. Today we are going to port some Dogecoin onto the Ethereum network. Go ahead and click on the little fox head. Hit mint. It will give you a deposit address. Once you deposit there, after 20 confirmations, it will then broadcast the hash. After that, it will be broadcast onto the RENDOGE virtual machine, which will then in turn mint RENDOGE, which we will use in a sushi swap. I already have minted. Let's get started. We're gonna go ahead and hit max on this. We're gonna need to approve RENDOGE. All right, we are waiting for Dogecoin to be approved for spending. All right, we have the transaction approved. We're gonna go ahead and supply. Go ahead and confirm. And we're gonna wait for the blockchain to confirm the transaction. We have a confirmed transaction. Now we're gonna take our Sushi Swap liquidity provider tokens and stake them for Sushi. You're gonna wanna approve staking. After you approve the staking contract, you can go ahead and hit stake. We're going to do max LPs. Let's get this confirmed. All right, and the transaction's confirmed. We are now farming Sushi with Dogecoin. All right, and all done. Here we can see how much Doggy and ETH I have, my yield, and what I shall be farming. Thank you for your valuable time. Don't forget to like, subscribe. What do you think of the ability to take Dogecoin from one blockchain onto another, onto Ethereum, stake it, and receive a yield for it? Have a good one.